Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. Today's video, I'm going to be focusing mainly on two things that I needed to tackle this week. That is my kitchen and lots of laundry. This week, I'm finally getting my new kitchen table into my kitchen, and this is the last time you're gonna see this dining room set. I'm really excited, but I'm almost sad to say that I'm sad to see that table go, but I've got so much stuff to show you guys, and I wanted to bring you along. As long as I've been talking about getting a new kitchen table, I could not put this up without showing it to you guys as well. So right now we're going to tackle all of this mess that is in my kitchen. We've actually cooked out a few times this week and just really sat and spent time with each other. So I've let my kitchen kind of go, and I really need to get it all cleaned up, get this table ready to go. It's actually going to go to Ruben's sister's house, and she just lives right down the road. So Ruben's going to get all of that in the back of his car and over there to her. And I'm going to go ahead and start by getting some of this laundry in the washer. That way I can start on the kitchen and kind of go in between as the loads are getting done and get that all taken care of.
This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down.
So getting started in the kitchen, I'm just going to go ahead and unload and reload the dishwasher. That way I can start to get all of the countertops wiped down. I need to get the trash out, take some things out to recycle. And I also just wanted to maybe talk about the little baby elephant in the room. I don't know if this is your first time here, but if you've been here before, you probably have never seen my hair like this. And it's not that it's bad, but it's just something extremely different for me. So I kind of wanted to talk about it and also get your opinion. So as I was getting ready this day, I was going through a massive, let's just say, hot flash. And when I was getting ready to do my hair, the thought of putting a hairdryer to my head made me want to vomit. So we are going with Au Naturel. And yes, my hair is wavy. It's not really curly. And it's not even really like a cute wave. It's just, I don't know, it's weird. It's like frizzy. It's wavy in some spots, some it's not. And I've tried to do like products in it. It just doesn't work. But you know, that's just what we had to go with. And I really, honestly, didn't mind it. But yeah, I just could not for the life of me do my hair dryer. So, but if you guys have any suggestions on any kind of product that would help, like not really so much define my curl. I mean, I guess yes, but like I said, there's not much curl there, but also help like taming all of the frizz. Please let me know in the comments below. I've tried so many things, but I have never found anything that really worked. Also, I wanted to talk about the update on the little utensil drawer thing that you guys just saw. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I think, honestly, I just have too much silverware. If I got two of them, it would be fine, but then that would just kind of defeat the purpose of having it, which was like to save space in the drawer. So I'm just going to get rid of it and go back to the old way. I'm going to have to go get another tray for that drawer because I threw the other one away. But yeah, I hate it. I'm sorry. I think it's just like I said, I think I just have too much to put in there, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish getting all of these dishes done and start wiping down all of the counters and go ahead and grab another load of laundry.
Down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me? Hey boy, do you see me? Hey boy, do you see me over here? Like what you're getting? You can't get enough, can't get enough. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside what's my luck? I wanna get in, inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me?
So now that I've got the dishes done, I'm going to go ahead and move on to wiping down my appliances and my countertops. But I wanted to quickly talk to you guys about this table, and I really honestly have to say thank you to my sweet friend, Monica Rose. If you guys do not watch her, you definitely should. Her home is amazingly beautiful and stunning, but I was going back and forth between like 3 or 4 different tables for about 6 months, trying to figure out what I wanted. And every time I would go to watch her videos, I just kept staring at her table. And I asked her where she picked it up from, and she told me. So I'm going to put the link to the table in my description box just in case you guys are looking too. But I actually got it from Big Lots, and it's an amazing table. It honestly weighs about 300 pounds. I did put this together by myself. I'm pretty, handy that way and extremely independent. I always like to do things by myself, and I love assembling furniture. I don't know why. I know that might sound crazy, but I love to do it. I had said before that it really does help me with my anxiety. Just like sitting and reading instructions and putting things together, it just makes me feel good about myself when it's all complete. But I have been dying for a new dining room for years, and I wanted something that's going to go a little bit better with my kitchen. And honestly, since I've painted these cabinets white, I really truly needed something else. So this table is perfect. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, because that is what I'm going to show you guys, the new table in the kitchen. But now I'm just going to finish wiping everything off. And over here, I actually used to have a little plant, and I ended up moving that. You guys will see that here in just a few minutes as well. But I also wanted to show you these really adorable little measuring spoons that my stepmom gave me when I went to visit her and my dad a couple weekends ago. And the colors are just beautiful, and they're just the cutest stinking little things. So thank you, Liz, so very much. I love having them sitting right here by my Alexa. It just adds a little bit of color here to the corner, and I absolutely love them.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, how you turned everything around. I will always remember it, how you got me off the battleground, how you got me off the battleground. Yeah, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted.
So really quickly, I just wanted to tell you guys about these plants that I got. So this one here is called a ZZ plant. I cannot pronounce it, but if you Google ZZ plant, you'll see it. It's apparently supposed to be a really easy plant to grow, and I have a black thumb, so that is what I need. That little one right there is that little bird's nest fern that used to sit right there on my counter behind my Alexa. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that little planter that I found in Marshall's that I asked you guys to talk me out of, but it really didn't matter because I wanted it anyway. It's just so stinking cute. So I went ahead and put that fern in that planter, and that ladder that was sitting in the corner behind that, I got that when I was out of town as well at a little antique shop, and it was only $8, so I thought it looked perfect over there in that corner. But yeah, if you Google that ZZ plant, it will tell you exactly how good of a plant that really is. So it thrives in low light, which is perfect for my house. And yes, that was a stink bug that you saw come out of my dryer. So yeah, it thrives in low light, and it also gives off a ton of oxygen, and it absorbs like toxins in your house. Apparently, there's probably a more scientific way that that is explained, but that's how I got it. But also I wanted to show you those Bounce Pet dryer sheets. They're like massive and they smell amazing, so check those out if you haven't already. I'm all over the place, but I'm just so super excited about this whole transformation. You have no idea, but I wanted to share that with you. And also the basket that ZZ plant is in, I also picked that up at Marshall's as well. So those are the new little things that I've gotten just to kind of add a little bit of a new touch along with the table. But I'm going to go ahead and get some more of this laundry done, and then we're going to go downstairs and I'm going to show you just a minute or two of me getting some of that stuff put together.
I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about. And while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I keep on pouring salt on my wounds when I shouldn't stay. I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta
All right, you guys, so here is the new table, and I must say I'm madly in love with it. It just brightens up this space, and it was so needed. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button so you guys can come back, because I do have a rug that will be here tomorrow, so I'm going to have that in my next video. Make sure you guys come back and see that as well. But I really want to say thank you so much for coming by today and watching this video and spending some time with me. But for now, I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
But how do I get out?